अब ऐसे करते हैं। Good morning, dear students. I am Dr. Meena Maurya from SIRT College, and today we are going to perform one experiment to find out the total hardness of a given sample of water. So what we will do in this, first of all we will fill a burette. In this we have poured EDTA solution. So EDTA will be our intermediate solution. Now what will I do? I will take solution A, that is unknown sample of water. How much we will take? With the help of pipette we will be taking 20 ml of sample A, and we have to find out the hardness of this sample A. So sample A is simply a water sample. Now what we will do? We will pour 2 ml of buffer solution like this. This buffer is of NH4OH and NH4Cl. So 2.5 ml of buffer solution we will be pouring, and after this we would be adding 2 drops of EBT indicator, Eriochrome black tea indicator. Now you can see a change in color, that is a reddish wine color. Now we will start titration. We will be opening the knob of this EDTA burette, and drop by drop we would be running down this EDTA solution in this conical flask. You can see a change in color. The color is getting light and light. Now when there will be a change, we will be stopping it. See, a bluish color is obtained. This is the end point. Now take the reading. The end point is obtained at 11.5 ml. It means 11.5 EDTA is required to titrate the sample A, that is unknown water sample. Now, after doing the calculation with the help of normality equation, that is N1V1 is equal to N2V2, we will put the value of N1 and N2 in this equation and we would get the result. The result would be near about 600 milligrams per liter. It means the sample A is containing 600 milligrams per liter hardness. And this sample of water is not at all good or fit for drinking because hardness is quite high. So in this way you can find out the total hardness of a given sample of water with the help of conductometric titration, means with the help of EDTA. So dear students, this was the conductometric titration. Thank you.